Ciao, ciao! Sveiki! From this lesson onwards, you will learn all you need to know about numbers in Latvian language, from 1 to a million. Yes, all video is about numbers in Latvian language. I will leave the timestamps below this video so you can quickly find the number you need in the future, in case if you want to repeat, for example. How to count in Latvian? It's super easy. Once you learn all basic numbers from 1 to 10, yes, of course, pronunciation might be a tricky, but don't you worry. I will repeat each number in Latvian language 3 times. For the first time, just listen. For the second time, try to repeat along with me. And for the third time, you might even remember. In previous videos, we have learned Latvian alphabet and how to read in Latvian language. So in this lesson, I have written all numbers in Latvian language, which will help you in practicing and reading and pronunciation skills too. So let's begin. So here I have kind of a positive quote for you. The expert in anything once was a beginner. Hopefully, by the end of this video, you will become an expert in pronouncing, remembering, and speaking all those Latvian numbers that we're gonna see and learn today during this lesson. So let's begin with the first slide. What I would highly recommend you to do is to take notepad, pen and paper. Psychologists and scientists have noticed and already prove that when you are learning new information, new language, or anything new, the fastest way to memorize it is actually to use all your senses. So, handwriting is one, able to repeat it, read it, and pronounce it. You can also try doing it yourself and see if it works for you. There was also a study done that when we are reading something handwritten by our own hand, our brain can memorize it and understand it much better and faster than, for example, comparing to reading other person's handwriting. So let's go. Here we have Latvian number words from 0 to 9, skaitļa vārdi no 0 līdz 9. I found it so strange, so many teachers doesn't teach this beautiful number 0, nulle. It's quite important, right? And you will see, once you learn all the basic numbers, you will be able to easily learn all the other numbers in the next slides. Why? Because in Latvian language, learning numbers and counting is the one of the easiest things to do, because those basic numbers on this slide are repeating in all the numbers again and again, and you will see how easy it is compared, for example, to Hindi language, where all the numbers and teens and 20s and 30s and 50s are different. So let's start. First number we have 0, nulle, nulle, nulle. Next number 1, viens, viens, viens. 2, divi, divi, divi. 3, trīs, trīs, trīs. 4, četri, četri, četri. 5, pieci, pieci, pieci. 6, seši, seši, seši. 7, septiņi, septiņi, septiņi. 8, astoņi, astoņi, astoņi. 9, deviņi, deviņi, deviņi. Great! Let's go to the next slide. And here we have numbers in Latvian from 10 to 19. Skaitļa vārdi no 10 līdz 19. Here I have added a special formula for you so you can easily memorize those Patsmit words that we have right now. Number 10 is the only word that you are learning new here, and plus the basic number from the previous slide. You see how easy it is, right? 10. Desmit, desmit, desmit. 11. 11. What I mean here, so vien, it is exactly same word as viens, just without the last letter. And patsmit, I have divided this word for you, so it is easier to learn it. Otherwise, this word is compound word, but you read it as a one whole word together. 11. And by the way, all those numbers here are a basic number, as I said, together with patsmit. 12. 12. 12. 12. 13. 13. 13. 13. 14. 14. 14. 14. 15. 15. 15. 15. 16. 16. 16. 16. 17. 17. 17. 17. 18. 18. 18. 18. 19. 19. 19. 19. Great! Well done! So in this slide, it is even easier. You are not learning anything new. You are just adding number from the first slide plus a new word that we have learned in the last previous slide, desmit. So first slide plus desmit. So let's go. 20. 20. 20. 20. 30. 30. 30. 30. 40. 40. 40. 40. 50. 50. 50. 50. 60. 60. 60. 60. 70. 70. 70. 70. 80. 80. 80. 80. And the last one it is 90. 90. 90. 90. Well done! Let's go to the next slide. How to count from 20 to 99 in Latvian. Skaitļa vārdi no 20 līdz 99. And here I have written formula, basic number plus desmit and basic number. So the first 20, for example, it is written and spoken together, and viens is it like an add-on. And we got 21. 21. 21. 21. 32. 32. 32. 32. 43. 43. 43. 43. 54. 54. 54. 54. 65. 65. 65. 65. 76. 76. 76. 76. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87, 98, 98, 98, 98, and the last one 99, 99, 99, 99. I have a little test for you. You can pause this video and write down the numbers which I will say. I will give you two numbers. It would be 84 and 56. Write it. In this slide, you will learn Latvian numbers, words from 100 to 999. And here, once again, we got an easy formula. Basic number or number plus simti. You are learning again only one word extra for ability to use 100 plus words in Latvian language. So easy, so simple. So first it is 100, simts, 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 200. Again, basic word and 100. Divi simti, divi simti, divi simti. 300, 300, 300, 300, 400, 400, 400, 400, 500, 500, 500, 500, 600, 600, 600, 600, 700, 700, 700, 700, 800, 800, 800, 800, 900, 900, 900, 900. And here I have again a little task for you. Before reading this number, try to write it down on your own, pause the video, and then when you write it, come back and see if you got it correctly. 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. Well done, you are doing great. In the next slide, we will learn numbers in Latvian language, words from 1000 till 9999. Skaitļa vārdi no 1000 līdz 9999. I done it. And here again you have the formula. So the simple number plus 1000 or thousands. And let's start again to learn the pronunciation. 1000, tūkstotis, tūkstotis, tūkstotis. 2000, 2000, 2000, 2000. 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000. 4000, 4000, 4000, 4000. 5000, 5000, 5000, 5000. 6000, 6000, 6000, 6000. 7000, 7000, 7000, 7000. 8000, 8000, 8000, 8000. 9000, 9000, 9000, 9000. tūkstoši. And the last number, you can also try to write it yourself. So the 9,999. You can handwrite it, pause the video, and see if you've done it correctly, just to check yourself. And the last number, it is 9099. 9099. 9099. Very easy. Number plus 1000. Yes, as I promised, it's going to be really simple to learn numbers, at least something in Latvian language. It is easy and simple, right? And let's go, I guess, to the next slide. Yes, where we're going to learn the biggest numbers. In this slide, we will explore how to say numbers in Latvian language, words from 10,000 to a million. And please do make sure that you practice this, right? And then the practice is going to make you an expert. So let's start from 10,000. Again, 10,000. Exactly how we say in English. 10,000. 10,000. Then we have 100,000. 100,000. Yeah? Correct. Exactly same. 100,000 as in English. And then we have 999,999. So 999,999. Here I have made one mistake. You have to find in this word a mistake where it is. Write it in the comments below. And here also in this example we have a compound word, or in Latvian language is called saliktenis. So saliktenis or compound word, it is two separate words put together without the endings. So you have to see which it is, which is 900. So it is written correctly and it is compound word. So you can see an example how in Latvian language, with the time we also gonna learn it, you can make compound words from two simple words. But there is mistake. Please find it. And the last number, the biggest numbers that we're going to learn for today, it is a million. Millions, yeah? Viens millions. Like when you say tūkstotis, it means that you speak only about 1,000. If you are saying simts, you mean it is 100. So you're not going to say 100. You can't say viens simts. But if you're just going to say simts, everybody by default would understand it is 100. And same thing with million. So millions, yeah, 1 million. You don't have to say one. You can just say millions. Hopefully you have gained some clear understanding, knowledge, and experience. And in numbers in Latvian language, you can count or express the numbers till now and also pronounce them. And the next part, we have a homework part. Yes, here I've got some homework for you for practice purposes. And also, you can test your own knowledge. The answers, how to write those numbers down as words in Latvian language, you can type in the comment section below. I will review your answers and you might even get some good mark from me. Yes, you got in total 9 numbers. If you manage to write them down all together, that's great. If you can manage to write some of them, you can also write them down correctly into the comment section below. Please don't use Google Translator. Don't use any help. This is just for practical purposes. So don't cheat. I will know, maybe. And what's gonna happen next? In the next videos, we will use this video as a basis of all other videos where those numbers will be used. In the next Latvian language lessons, you will learn how to and where you can use these numbers in practical life. So in next videos and Latvian language lessons, We will learn about time, how to ask and answer when we're talking about time. For example, what time is it? We will talk about date. So, what date is today? Days of the week. We will explore on topic as age, how to ask for someone age and how to express your own age. And also, if you may be dating someone or you want to ask someone's number, how to give your number and how to ask for the number. Also, we will look into the home address, how to write it in Latvian language correctly. And of course, the order numbers like first, second, third. We will also have a separate video on order numbers. And what I would like to tell you, please tell me if this video was useful. If yes, give me some like. You can also share video with anyone who is trying to grasp a glimpse of Latvian language. And please subscribe to the channel, giving me some feedback. Paldies par uzmanību. Thank you for your attention. And visu labu. Ciao, ciao.